Dear brothers and sisters, do you know which are the 5 natural acts or which are the 5 natural things a male should do in order to keep his body clean and healthy? This is reported in Bukhari Hadith number 5889. It was reported by Abu Hurairah radiallahu anh that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the following 5 acts are natural. What are those? Number 1, circumcision. Number 2, shaving the public region hair. Number 3, clipping the nails. Number 4, cutting the mustache short. Number 5, growing the beard. Dear brothers and sisters, what is the purpose of these 5 acts or 5 natural acts as the Prophet ﷺ said? The main objective of these 5 acts is cleanliness. Keep the body clean and healthy. In another hadith, Prophet ﷺ said, cleanliness is equal to half of the iman. Do you understand how important in Islam the cleanliness is? So dear brothers and sisters, please follow these 5 natural acts which has been identified for the male. You can teach this thing to your sons. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi